I'm not as overwhelmed as I was. I only have that many left. I had 300 plus all my starts, so I was a little overwhelmed last week. But this week, I'm doing pretty good. I've never done Jewels of Opar before. That should be fun. This one looks fun. I have to keep it watered. Pink Surprise, Calendula, Fireworks, Gumfrina, and Snapdragons from the dollar store. All of this is in this pot. Fuchsia, Gumfrina, Candy Cane Zinnias, Soapwort, Green Amaranth, Cactus. Oh, Cactus Soil. Potting soil, cactus soil, perlite. Done on March 5th. So let's see what grows. Chocolate, flower, and bee balm. This one looks cool. Oh my goodness, what is in this one? It says Sweet William, Celosia, Red Flame. Cool. Ooh, this one got waterlogged. It says Rudbeckia Herda and Red Yarrow and Celosia. So I wonder if we have enough drainage at the bottom of that. Okay, I'm going to open some of these ones. I'm surprised how well they did. All it is plastic with kind of plastic duct taped over the top. Those look like marigolds. Those look good. Let's see how this one did. Done in the ice cream bucket. Ugh. These ones are dianthus and sneeze weed. Too wet. That looks like Rudbeckia to me. Let's see what this one is. We got so many of these tree seeds everywhere. Our store, they got knocked over a couple times. Giant zinnias, blue boy bachelor buttons, and white alyssum. So it kind of got knocked over, so some of them are up on their sides. Tons of these stupid tree weed seeds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant out a big clump, and then I think I'll leave some of them in the pot. This was a no transplant winter sowing of squash, and then this one was the traditional squash. So I'm going to leave this one in, I think, and then I'm going to plant these ones right here in this hole. Tromboncino. That's exciting. I'm getting pretty good at planting with my left. And it has a trellis to climb too. So these ones, for the most part, I'm leaving in tubs. And then when I have something like this, I'm going to plant it in the ground. I already planted some cucumbers over there. Lady Godiva squash. Lady Godiva squash. That looks pretty good. Lots of weeds. So I'm just going to go dig a hole and put it in. Lots of tree seeds over here. It's going to take me a few more days yet to finish all these, but I'm excited to see all the new plants I'm going to have this year. Bye!